Hey, I'm William with Common Motor. It's common-motor.com. We're now supporting Honda CB550s like this 550F right here. So we're going to show you what we did to get it running. Alright, so like I said, Common Motor is now supporting the Honda mid-sized 4s like this Honda CB550F Super Sport, as well as the CB550Ks, even the late model K3 and K4, as well as the CB500Ks. So I'm going to take you through all the stuff that we replaced on this bike particularly, not just to get it running again, but because we check all the parts we sell on our website before we sell them. Well, let's get into it. Alright, so these 550s have basically the same front end as the CB450s, so we had a lot of the parts already. We did a full brake rebuild with the caliper and the master cylinder and rubber brake lines. We rebuilt the forks, put new oil in there, and did the steering bearing upgrade while we were at it. Went ahead and put in a new lens with a replaceable bulb and swapped out all the control cables with fresh cables, throttle, clutch, tach, speedo. Probably the only thing we haven't done on the front end is put a new tire on there, but that's coming. For any rebuild project, you're going to want to take a look at the ignition components. We offer ignition rebuild kits for all of our bikes, including this one, which has the points themselves, condensers, Allen head points bolts. Went ahead and did new coils with spark plug boots and spark plugs. And we, of course, had to go put a fresh AGM Motobat battery in here. One upgrade we recommend for all vintage bikes is a modern voltage regulator and rectifier combo unit, which we have installed right here, along with an electronic flasher relay. Onto the fuel system, we got a new air filter in there, which is in a box behind all the electronics. We put carb kits in and did a full carb rebuild. We carry the carb kits for both F and K series bikes. The carbs are completely different. We also carry the intake manifolds, which are just as prone to leaking as the ones on the twins. So we got a fresh set of those, as well as the little O-rings that go between the aluminum intake manifolds and the cylinder head here. As far as the engine goes, we did all the standard tune-up procedures: cam chain, valve adjustment, engine timing, carb sync. And of course, we changed the oil, replaced the filter, and a couple of leaky seals. So here at the rear of the bike, we went ahead and swapped out the swing arm bushings with a roller bearing upgrade. We also put our new Icon Basic shocks on here. They're the same quality, made in Australia, as the Icons we carry on the website. They don't have the dampening rebound adjustment, so they're a little bit less expensive. We went ahead and did a full rear drum brake rebuild, new shoes and springs and everything, as well as fresh sprockets, rear, front, over here under the chain cover, as well as a fresh drive chain. And once that's all lubed up, man, this thing rides pretty good. So all the parts I just mentioned we have listed for sale on the website, as well as listed in the description below. Currently testing internal engine components, so things like gasket kits should be live for sale soon on the website. I'm William with Common Motor, now supporting Honda CB550, F and K 4-cylinder motorcycles. Be sure to follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our newsletter and YouTube channel. See you next time.